Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some luxury winter fragrances that are definitely worth a splurge, okay? So if you're looking for some fragrances and you're looking to spend some money, this is definitely the video for you. And even if you're not ready to spend money, it's okay. Keep watching because we can add it to our wish list for sure. Well, first fragrance I have on this list is a sexy saffron type of fragrance, and she is not new to my channel. She is not new to you all, so we're gonna hit her real quick, and that is Cavort from Fragrance Du Bois. I feel like this saffron, cinnamon, rose, beautiful fragrance is absolutely worth every dime that it is. Now, this fragrance can lead you in like the $290s, $300, but when I say what this juice gives you, this fragrance is luxury rose. You will get many of compliments. It lasts. I think this is absolutely worth the money, okay? It lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts. And that's what I like a fragrance to do that costs upwards of the $200, $300, $400 fragrance. That's what I look for, is longevity. And this is such a great longevity. It leaves a scent trail. I love that. I love that this is effortless, right? It's not a complex fragrance, but it definitely gives you a complex fragrance, right? There's not many people, if you are not in the fragrance world, right? There are not too many people that are going to be like, oh, I know that's Cavort's. There are not too many people that's going to do that to you. So I think this gives you a uniqueness without being so complex where people are just like, ugh, it just smells like so many things. The rose in this, the saffron, it's just the cinnamon. It's all needed. The ylang ylang, it's all needed. I love this so much, okay? Chef's kiss, I do enjoy. And this is a great luxury winter fragrance and worth the splurge. Next up, we have this beautiful gourmand rum, cognac, apricot, chocolate type of fragrance that is around $300, but it is absolutely worth every penny of that $300. And that is Narcotica Dulce Diablo. I love this fragrance. The vanilla, the tonka bean, the apricot, the dry apricot, the chocolate. Oh, it is so good and rich and creamy and boozy and chocolatey, and every note that's in this fragrance you experience to the top power, right? To the top of the roof, to the top of the building, you experience every note. And I love that. The quality, the gourmand, like this is so good. The richness, the longevity, the scent trail, all of that, it is so good, well worth it, highly would recommend. This is one of my favorite gourmand luxury fragrances, especially for this winter season. It just stands out. It is uber good, and if you like a good apricot fruit with chocolate, oh yeah, you definitely want to get your hands on this beauty right here. Next up, she is not new to this, but she is true to this luxury beauty fragrance. I know people have their say-sos and all the things. They have their opinions on this fragrance, but it is still, to me, worth the money, worth every dime, okay? And that is, I'm gonna say it, MFK Baccarat 540. This is the extrait, the Rouge extrait version. When I say this almond, saffron, woody, ambergris type of fragrance, is classic. We all know this, right? But it's so worth it. You know, I know we have this Baccarat Rouge, but this one, I feel like you can have this fragrance and you can have this in the winter. You can have this in the spring, summer, fall. This is such a signature beauty. You can wear this in any setting, for work, for events. This is so good and a classic, and it lasts, and it just has a DNA that will stand the test of time. I'm sorry, will stand the test of time, okay? And this can be upwards of like $250, $350, $315. Like, you can find some price range. You can actually find some deals. Somebody might want to sell their bottle, okay, and get you to maybe $180. I'm not sure, but this fragrance right here, I love the extrait version. I love the Rouge. I love this version, right? I also like the original, but this, to me, with that almond note, just takes it up a notch for me. Just my opinion, okay? Takes it up. So this luxury winter, any season really, fragrance is absolutely, in my opinion, worth your splurge. Next up, I have talked about this fragrance so many times, and I'm not going to stay on here long. This pomegranate rose fragrance is Mind Games Jadoo. I have talked about this down. Absolutely worth your splurge. Now, this splurge is a splurge, right? This is upwards of like 300, 400 some odd, right? This fragrance is pricey. Get it. Got it. Good. Add it to your wish list. But is it well worth it? Absolutely, right? I will have this fragrance like for a lifetime. Like, this fragrance, if I would ever run out of this fragrance, which I really don't think I would, but if I did, I would repurchase this. This would absolutely be a repurchase even at that price tag. And I am sure that as we continue to go, it's going to continue to go up. I'm sure, right? Maybe one day it'll go down. Maybe. We'll see. We'll keep an eye out, okay? But right now, no. But this is so good, worth the splurge. When I tell you, if you're looking for a pomegranate rose, oh, beautiful fragrance that gives you compliments, that just gives you luxury and put togetherness and $1 million on million. Like, this is such a great, like, multi-million-dollar fragrance, in my opinion. That's what it smells like. It just smells like money. It is so good, so divine. I love it. Highly would recommend. If you're looking for something and you're willing to splurge and you want to treat yourself and you have a birthday coming up or anniversary and you want a fragrance that is going to be luxury and it's going to last, right? And it's going to be well worth your points, try Jadoo Mind Games. And again, this could be for my brothers, my male cousins. This could be for all of us, okay? It's definitely unisex, and this is a winner. So get it added to your list. You definitely want to get that luxury beauty in your fragrance wardrobe. And last but certainly not least, if you're looking for a citrus, woody, floral, pineapple type of fragrance that would cost you around, I've seen it at like $250, something around there. If you're looking for something that I heard, this is what I heard. I don't know this for a fact, but what I heard, what they say is that celebrities wear this. Or AI the Great said that celebrities wear this fragrance. So, I don't know that to be fact. However, since she knows celebrities, I'm gonna believe her. Okay. And we know what that fragrance is. And that is 1872. Clyde Christian. This is the Femme perfume version for the feminine, for the woman. Okay, there is a male version as well, or men. This is so good and well worth it. Okay, There are some fragrances that you just like, it's expensive, you spray it and it's bye-bye, I don't see it anymore. This fragrance lasts, and it's such a beautiful fragrance with a whole bunch of notes. I mean, let's not get it twisted. There's a whole bunch of notes in this, but all of those notes make up a beautiful luxury fragrance that I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on. This is so good. You smell great and aromatic and green. This is like a green not running through the forest trees, right? This is a green fragrance that is a luxury, okay? And well worth the splurge, in my opinion, okay? This fragrance with that pineapple note in this, so good, so good, so good. So if you are into citrus and woody notes and floral notes, if you're into that type of scent profile, give this a try. You might like it. You might be like, okay, she's on to something. Okay. Well, fam, that's it. Do you have any luxury fragrances that are in your fragrance wardrobe that you say it was worth the splurge? I want to know down below. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know. What have you splurged on that you were like, well worth it? A+++++. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.